Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mahua. Myself Nimisha Mehta. For class 6 English, we have started our chapter 6 and we have finished till activity 9 in our previous lecture. We have seen in this activity 8 older than dinosaurs, and we also seen the sequoia tree, very old one and also tallest tree on the earth, and evergreen. Also in activity 9 we see the features of the incense, cedar, all the trees, and also we have seen in activity 9 differently working musical instruments. Which instruments do you know? Hydrolophone and pyrophone. So here they given new words. Mechanism means system, and other new words I send with PDF. So let's start activity 10. We read about how we got the names hydrolophone and pyrophone. The names tell more about what the musical instruments do. Hydro, olo, pyro have come from the Greek language. We use such prefixes to make new words. For example, hydroelectricity is electricity created using water. Hydro means water. Here are some more prefixes and what they mean. Geo means earth. Aero means air. Ethno means people, culture. Electro, electricity. Photo means light. Spatio means space. Atmo means vapor. Cryo means ice. Aqua means water. Biblio means books. Chrono means time. Floro means flowers. So as per prefixes we understand their meanings, and I also ask as a math the following, also send with PDF. Words like geography, aquatic, chronology use some of these prefixes. You can invent a word right now. Pick one prefix and add it in front of a word you know. Be creative by inventing the meaning of your new word. So in this activity we have to write my word is. So my word is geology. My word is made of the prefix geo and the word logy. So my word is made of the prefix geo and the word logy, the scientific study of a particular subject. Geology means scientific study of a particular subject. Write two sentences that show what your invented word means. These days they are making geological survey of this region. So it's a first sentence. Second sentence is, it is interesting to study the geology of the British Isles. So as per the two sentences we have to understand the meaning of our word. Can your classmates guess the meaning of your word from your sentences? If not, revise to make your meaning clearer. So I hope you understand from these two sentences the meaning of geology. Geology means the scientific study of a particular subject. In activity 11, we read about the hydrolophone and the pyrophone. These are unusual instruments. Do you know? Hydrolophone means a musical instrument using water to make music, and pyrophone means a musical instrument using fire to make music. Both different. Hydrolophone means water and pyrophone means from fire. We can invent music. Okay. These are unusual instruments. Usually we would not think of creating music out of water or fire. But people like Steve Mann and Kastner thought of it. Work with a classmate and think of what you will use to create music and how you will turn it into a musical instrument. So my classmate named, you have to write any name, and I created a musical instrument. It uses rubber bands to create music. Do you know? Guitar. Okay. We have named it tissue box guitar. Why? Because we using to prepare this instrument lead with box, rubber band. Okay. The classmates named Des and Des created a musical instrument. It uses glass bottles to create music. They have named it glass water tarang. Do you know? You that do experiment at home. Fill the bowls with water and play with spoon. We getting a sweet and sound noise. Okay, so we have to create many types of music instrument. Here use this box to draw a picture of your musical instrument. So I send PDF and out of this you draw. Okay, so now next activity 12. Here are some amazing facts about animals. A mosquito has 47 teeth. How can we count? Difficult, no? Okay, so here amazing facts. They use that word. No two zebras have the same markings. The heart of a blue whale is the size of a Maruti 800. Elephants are the only animals that cannot jump. How can they jump? Because they are very heavy. Yes. Butterflies test with their feet. In activity 1, we thought about presents we will give to our feet. Here, we have come to know that butterflies test with their feet. What if we also tested with our feet? How? Amazing. We would keep testing our shoes every time we go out because we keep our foot one by one step and it will be test. Okay. Maybe we would have flavored shoes, chocolate flavored shoes, banana flavored shoes. What flavored shoes would you not like to wear? I would not like to wear the shoes having pumpkin flavor. Why? Because it's a ripe and spoiled. Okay. Here they given table. So we will fill ourselves. One more thing, here they given space as a knot. So we will write a paragraph on this space. Which write a paragraph on superstitions. Take help of the following points. I also give points and you have to write this paragraph. Okay. So write down in your notebook with PDF and also do more and more revision. Okay. Thank you.